dos, tres. Hello, teacher. Good afternoon. This is the interview video where my classmate and I are simulating a job interview by answering interview question. Okay? Okay, Guadalupe. What programming language are you proficient in, and which do you prefer for web development?
My favorite language is TypeScript because it's easy to good web development.
Okay. Describe your experience with responsive web design.
I worked on responsive website. I use CSS and Bootstrap. I like making websites look good on computers and phone.
Okay. The three question. Explain the concept of progressive enhancement and why it's this important in web development.
Progressive enhancement means the website works for everyone first, thing with and the more filters for better browsers.
Okay. The fourth question is what is your approach to optimizing website performance?
I use small image, clean code, and simple designs.
Okay. And the last question is describe your experience with version control system like Git or SVN.
I use Git for my projects. I save my work, create branch, and upload my code to GitHub.
Okay.
Now I'm going to be interviewer. Um, Samuel, what is your preferred frontend framework and why?
Okay. My preferred framework is React because it's the most framework for me, and I allows me to build browser components and create interactive user interface.
Okay. Can you discuss the importance of web accessibility and how you implement in your projects?
Okay, web accessibility is important because everyone should be able to use a website, and I use a clear text, image in PNG or others with a text and a simple navigation for intuition.
Okay. What is the role of web storage in modern web applications?
The web storage saves the information in the user browser, and I can save login data, settings of or user preference. Yeah.
Mm, what is your process for testing and debugging web applications?
I test all the website features and check for errors. And I use the browser tools for find and the fix problems for the how web tools development.
Okay. Describe your experience working with APIs and integrating them into web applications.
My experience is a good because I have worked with REST APIs in my web projects, and I use the send and receives data between the websites and the servers in my projects, and this is a good experience. Okay, teacher, terminamos.